Hi everybody, now we'll look at the violin plot in order to understand the daily returns after a specific market event. Let's jump directly into my flows. I already prepared one called Violin. We jump into the file manager section and we upload the data. Here I select my violin sample data in .csv format and I upload it. Once the dataset has been uploaded and enriched, we can quickly take a look on how it is structured, and we jump directly into the plot dashboard section. Here I create the plot. I look for the violin plot. Here it is, and I click this. I'm prompted again with which type of data that I want to use for this plot. As in aicuflow, I can upload multiple datasets. Here I select the one that I just uploaded, and I continue. In this axis, I select in the x-axis the period, whereas for the y-axis, I select the daily return. I could also add other y-axis, but it is enough for me at this point, and we jump directly into the advanced options. What could be interesting for me is to showcase all the points in the dataset. And here we are. And I create the plot. The plot has now been created. I can quickly hide the legend and change the styling. In this case, I want a styling which is called Vibrant Mix, and I select this. I apply the colors, and here we are. The plot is now ready to be exported. Thanks for watching, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all of our social media platforms. If you have any doubts, feel free to check out our documentation. Thank you, and we'll see each other in the next video.